Let's get this in here for test purposes, obviously. Have a little mount side piece. Oh, guess not anymore. That's fine. Box open. My one that's original. One that I'm looking to replace. So hopefully, if I can figure out a place to put this, I'm gonna capture this all on camera, just for the sake of liability, since it is a used part. But yet, this is what mine sounds like. No light. But I get light. That's when it goes to the left. I think, no, right indicator. Stop it. And now to the left. Left side seems to be working, but not really. But I just wanted to show you what symptoms are beforehand. Let's hope it fixes it. Now, let me figure out placement. This. That should work. Oh, first, actually, new one. One cent from Moto Mike. Very clean. Cleaner than mine, clearly. Yeah, a little bit more stuff on there. It looks identical and everything like that. Hopefully it is a 487. Can't really tell by these numbers. Can't even tell if it really matches up, to be honest, as much as possible. It looks like it. I did order a 487. I know they had another one with starting with a 3UH or something like that. That's not the one I did order. I ordered a 487. So, I'm gonna put this one on top of here, on top of the tank. As you can see, resting it on top of the tank. Actually, back in the box, on the table, on the floor would probably be the best area for it. Alrighty, put you right back here. Now, hopefully, take that out. There you are. Yeah, mine isn't as good as the new one, clearly. So, let's see. Moto mics. Cleaner. As you can see, way cleaner. Going in. Let's hope. Just gonna make sure. The left. Oh. That's not supposed to be doing that. No light either. We got the exact same symptoms. When we go left and right indicator, it had the exact same ticking as my original. And then left indicator, light. So I think somewhere in the years of sitting on your shelf, or possibly for FedEx, because I just got this, it open boxed everything on camera. Something happened and it's not working anymore.